Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the numerical problem of Hartnell governor. This is the simple numerical problem related to the Hartnell governor. Here you can see that in a spring-loaded Hartnell type governor, the extreme radii of rotation of the balls are 80 mm and 120 mm. The ball arm and the sleeve arm of the well crank lever are equal in length. The mass of each ball is 2 kg. If the speed at the two extreme positions are 400 and 420 rpm, then find that the initial compression of the central spring and the spring constant. This is the numerical problem. So we have to solve this numerical problem systematically. So first of all, we will start from the given data. So this is the given data which is given in the question. R1 is equals to 80, R2 is equals to 120 mm, and X is equals to by M is equals small m is equals to 2 kg, N1 is equals to 400, and N2 is equals to 420 rpm is given. All the data is given in the question. Now we know that the centrifugal force at minimum speed, centrifugal force that Fc is equals to m omega square r, but at the for minimum speed, Fc1 is equals to m omega 1 square and r1. So we have the value of omega 1. This is the value of omega 1. So we have to substitute the value of omega 1 in this equation, and the value of the r1, this is the value of r1, 0.08 meter or 80 mm. So we have to substitute the value of r1 also in this equation, and the small m is equals to 2 kg. So now we have the value of Fc1, that is equals to 281 Newton. Similarly, centrifugal force at the maximum radius. So this is the centrifugal force for maximum radius. Fc2 is equals to m omega square m omega 2 square r2. So substitute the value of small m omega 2 and r2. Then we will have the value of Fc2 is equals to 465 Newton. Let spring S1 is equals to spring force at the minimum speed, and S2 is equals to spring force at the maximum speed. And then we know that for minimum position, mg1 plus s1 mg plus s1 equals to 2fc1 into x upon y. This equation we have already derived an expression for the Hartnell governor in the previous class. So this is, or directly I have taken this formula from directly from the Hartnell governor derivation, and here we have to substitute the value of x is equals to by. So x upon by, that means x upon by, so x upon by, that is equals to 1. Here you can see that the value of capital M is very less than as compared to the S1. So we have to neglect the value of M. So here the formula is S1 is equals to 2FC1 is equals to 562 Newton. Similarly for maximum position, mg plus s2 equals to 2fc2 into x upon y. Here this is the value of 1 because the x is equals to y, and this is the neglecting the value of capital M, and s2 is equals to 2fc2. So this is the value of 2fc2 is equals to 930 Newton. We know that the lift of the sleeve h is equals to r2 minus r1 into pi upon x. This is the similarly this equation I have already taken this equation from the derivation directly. So here substitute the value of x upon by, the x and by, the x is equals to by, so that this is value again, this is 1. So h is equals to difference between the r2 to minus r2 and r1. So what is the difference? That is 40 mm. Now this we have to calculate the value of stiffness of the spring or spring constant. So spring constant S is equals to S2 minus S1 upon H. So this is the formula, S2 minus S1 upon H. We have already derived this formula during the derivation of Hartnell governor. So you can directly use this formula, S2 minus S1 upon H, that is equals to stiffness or spring constant. So we have already calculated the value of S1 and S2 and H. So substitute all the value in this equation and we will have the value of spring constant 9.2 Newton per mm. Now we have to calculate the initial compression of the central spring. The initial compression of the central spring, that is equals to the spring force at minimum speed divided by spring constant. So this is S1 upon S. So now we will have the value of initial compression of the central spring, that is equals to 61 mm. So this is a simple and very important numerical problem which is used many times, which is asked many times by the university, and this is important from subjective point of view. Thank you very much.